AirPlay system audio to the kitchen speaker at 50% volume. Occasionally I'm on Windows and it would be nice to be able to easily AirPlay my system audio or an audio from an application to one or more AirPlay enabled speakers. And this is why I decided to create AirBridge. It captures the live Windows mix, normalizes it to pulse code modulation, and streams it to any AirPlay enabled speaker on your network. No virtual audio cables, no temporary files, no difficult setup. The audio stays in memory from the Windows Audio Session API all the way to the speaker. One of the fun features I worked on was voice control. So you could use your voice to give it a command and it will do that. So I have the push to talk hotkey configurable here in the settings, and in the assistant tab in the settings, you can paste your OpenAI API key. I also have this logging here, so I could say, AirPlay all system audio to the kitchen speaker. I think it's pretty cool. It seems to work pretty well. And one other cool thing with this feature that I implemented is audio ducking. So when I do the push to talk command again, and something's playing on the speaker, it'll duck the audio, so it softens and it's easier for me to give the command. Stop playing system audio. And within the options, you can see the AI activity log, so you can see all the tools it's using here and kind of how it works. So for the voice to text, I'm using GPT-4o transcribe, and with that text, I'm using GPT 5.6 low, and also providing it some tools in the code to be able to, scan the different speakers and play audio or route the audio from the system to from applications to the correct speaker. Also created a browser extension for both Chrome and Firefox, and included a measurement calibration tool in AirBridge itself. So you can use a microphone and have the speaker close to the microphone, and you can measure the delay. And with this measurement, we can go to the browser extension, enter in this value, and the picture will be delayed. AirBridge was just built in a few days with Codex and GPT 5.6 Sol on medium reasoning. Codex was able to trace through PyATV's internals and find where the seam should live to support this file-free audio streaming. It worked across C#, Python, and even JavaScript with the browser extension. One installer, a tray flyout for daily use, silent standby that frees the speakers when you're done, and Windows finally speaks AirPlay. All you have to do to install and test AirBridge is find the releases on the GitHub repo, find the latest MSI or setup installer, download those, run through the installation steps, and you'll have AirBridge accessible right from your start menu. And once you launch it, it'll immediately start scanning for AirPlay speakers on your network. All you have to do is select one, click start, and that's it.